Good morning, class 11th entrepreneurship students. Today we will discuss the next topic, types of entrepreneurs on the basis of business. Okay, so on the basis of business, or you can say depending on the nature, size, and type of business, entrepreneurs are divided into five categories. Okay, depending upon the nature, size, and type of business. Okay, entrepreneurs are divided into five different categories. Number one is business entrepreneur, second is trading entrepreneur, third is industrial entrepreneur, fourth is corporate entrepreneur, and fifth is agricultural entrepreneur. Right? Business entrepreneur, trading, industry, corporate, and agricultural entrepreneur. Okay, so we will go one by one. First we will discuss the business entrepreneur. Right? So a business entrepreneur or business entrepreneurs are those who develop an idea for a new product or service and then establish an enterprise to materialize their idea into reality. Okay, so for the thing you have to keep in mind that business entrepreneurs are those who develop an idea for a new product or service. Okay, who develop an idea, okay, who develop an idea for a new product, okay, or you can say service. Okay, and then establish their enterprise. Okay, enterprise which gives their idea into reality. Okay, or to materialize into reality. Right? Most of the entrepreneurs of this particular category, okay, or you can say most of the entrepreneurs belong to this particular category because majority of the entrepreneurs are found in the field of small trading and manufacturing concerns. Okay, which is basically their own idea of a new product or service. Okay, they establish the enterprise of that particular small trading concern or that manufacturing concern. Okay, and they materialize their idea into reality through that particular enterprise. Okay, so important thing that most of the entrepreneurs belongs to this category, that is They are business entrepreneurs. Okay. For example, you can write small trading or manufacturing concern. Right? So this is what is business entrepreneur is, who develop an idea for a new product or service, okay, who establishes their enterprise to materialize, to give shape to their idea into reality. Then most of the entrepreneurs belongs to this category, business entrepreneurs. You can take these examples of small trading concerns and small manufacturing concerns, right? Please note down. Right? Then second type is trading entrepreneurs. Okay, so trading entrepreneurs are those entrepreneurs who undertake trading activities, buying and selling. Okay, trading activities, whether from domestic or overseas, are trading entrepreneurs. Okay, so entrepreneurs who undertake, okay, trading activities, whether domestic or overseas. Okay, domestic means inside the country. Okay, overseas means export import trading. Okay, overseas are called trading entrepreneurs. Okay, so they have to identify the potential market for his product in order to stimulate the demand for the same. They push many ideas ahead of others in the form of demonstration to promote their business. Okay, so one thing which you have to keep in mind, right? So trading entrepreneurs are those entrepreneurs who undertake trading activities. Okay, buying and selling of products. Okay, not manufacturing, buying and selling, traders. Okay, they can do their activities in domestic as well as overseas market, so that will be domestic or overseas trading. Okay, that doesn't matter. Then what they used to do in their entrepreneurship, that they identify the potential markets from where the customers can be gathered, okay, can be served easily for his product, okay, in order to generate the demand for the same, okay, so that the demand can be generated for their products. Then they push many ideas of others who have manufactured, okay, or you can say the other entrepreneurs or the experts. They push many ideas of others in the form of demonstration. They used to demonstrate their products, okay, in the form of their trading concern. There they can demonstrate the product, or somewhere in the market they establish their small establishment like canopy and all. Okay, sometimes they visit exhibitions, okay, to demonstrate their product. Okay, so push many ideas of the others in the form of demonstration. Why this demonstration they are doing? So demonstration of product is done to promote their business, right? You have seen many of these entrepreneurs or these type of people in exhibitions, okay, or in industrial expos, where they are showing their product, okay, on a counter, on a table, okay, where they used to have their own stall. They used to demonstrate the product and stimulate the buyers to buy it. Okay, they used to create a potential market for themselves. Fine. So these are called trading entrepreneurs, right? You please note down. Then third, we will discuss the industrial entrepreneurs. Here we have discussed trading entrepreneurs. Now we will discuss the manufacturing or industrial entrepreneurs, right? So next we will have industrial entrepreneurs. Right? Now, who are they? Industrial entrepreneurs. So, industrial entrepreneurs essentially manufacture. Okay? Previously, we have discussed trading entrepreneurs, those who trade, buy from the manufacturer and sell to the customers. Okay? Now, these are called industrial entrepreneurs as they used to manufacture. It is essential for them. So, industrial entrepreneurs essentially manufacture products and services and offer services along with those products, okay, which have an effective demand in the market, right? They have the ability to convert economic resources and technology into a profitable venture, okay. That means they are having the capacity, ability, the creativity to convert the economic resources present in the surroundings or the environment. They use the technology in that, okay, and then create a creative venture or a profitable venture, okay. There are many examples of these type of entrepreneurs, okay. Main you can think regarding Hero MotoCorps, Hyundai, okay, Honda, right? The automobile companies, they used to manufacture their own products. They offer those products along with these services, okay, after sale services, before sale services, okay, to the customers. They convert the economic resources along with the technology. They develop a particular product, they establish a profitable venture, right? So these are called industrial entrepreneurs. Fine. Right? So these are industrial entrepreneurs who essentially manufacture. Okay? Please mind it. Essentially manufacture products and offer services along with those products. So they manufacture products which have an effective demand, which have an effective means already a demand for them, okay, increased demand, stripped, so effective demand in the market. Then they have the ability to convert. What type of ability they are having? To convert the economic resources and technology into a profitable venture, means the enterprise, okay. You can take the examples of Hyundai corporations, Honda Limited, Hero MotoCorps, etc. Right? So please note down, these are the industrial entrepreneurs, description regarding industrial entrepreneurs. Okay. Fine. Next we will do the corporate entrepreneurs. Okay. Fourth is corporate entrepreneurs. Then now what is or who are corporate entrepreneurs? Corporate entrepreneurs are those who through their innovative idea and skill, okay, able to organize, manage and control a corporate undertaking, okay, are those entrepreneurs who through their innovative ideas and skill able to organize, manage and control a corporate undertaking very effectively and efficiently, right? Usually they are promoters, not the actual manufacturers, okay, or the traders. They are usually promoters of the undertaking. Promoters are those people, those who used to conceive the idea, okay. The idea behind the enterprise is their brainchild, okay. They are the promoters of the undertakings or those corporations, enterprises, okay, engaged in business, okay, trading or industry. So usually they are promoters of the undertakings or corporations engaged in business, trading or industry, right? So corporate entrepreneurs are those who used to innovate the idea and they are having the skill, okay, to organize, manage and control a corporate undertaking. A business is already established, okay, but these are those people, those who used to promote the idea of a particular project, or if the business is not started, then they used to cultivate the idea, they used to conceive the idea of organizing, managing and controlling the enterprise. Once the enterprise is established, they used to sometimes hand over the enterprise to the people, those who asked them to conceive that idea or to make reality of that particular idea into a business, right? Right. So these are the corporate description regarding corporate entrepreneurs. That corporate entrepreneurs are those who through their innovative ideas and skills able to organize, manage and control a corporate undertaking, okay, corporate enterprise, okay. They are very effective and efficient in doing so, okay, and they are the usually they are the promoters, okay, usually they are promoters of the corporations, okay, conceiving, who used to conceive the idea, okay, undertakings engaged in business, trade or industry. They are not differentiated from, they can be in trading business, they can be in any normal business, they can be in manufacturing business or industry, okay. So business, trade or industry, right? Please note down. Then we will discuss the last, agricultural entrepreneur. agricultural entrepreneurs. Okay. Okay, it is very much clear from the name that they are basically the entrepreneurs who used to innovate and create the ideas relating to the farming sector. Okay, they are actually not the farmers. Okay, they may be farmers, they may be the uh, their parents may be the farmers, or they are having, these entrepreneurs may be having some uh, idea or skills in farming. Okay, so what they used to innovate. So agricultural entrepreneurs are those who undertake agricultural as well as allied activities, related activities of agriculture. Okay. Okay, so they engage in raising and marketing of crops, okay, fertilizers and other inputs of agriculture through employment of modern techniques, machines, okay, and irrigation, right? So they used to innovate the ideas in the field of farming, or you can say agriculture. Okay, they not only market the crops, but they also market the fertilizers, other inputs required in agricultural business or activities. Okay, they employ, that means they use modern techniques of doing agriculture, okay, machines and irrigation, right? Okay, so agricultural entrepreneurs are those who undertake agricultural as well as allied activities. Allied means related activities of agriculture in the area, or you can write sector also, of agriculture. They usually engage themselves in raising and marketing of crops, fertilizers and other inputs of agriculture, right? Then they use modern techniques, machines and irrigation as a medium to give reality to their creativity or idea. Okay, they used to innovate techniques, they used to innovate machines, they used to innovate the new irrigation methods and facilities, okay, as their medium to give reality to their idea. Okay, so these are those things which comes under types of entrepreneurs on the basis of business. Okay, so we have learned the 5 categories, different categories. Okay, number one, business entrepreneurs. Then we discussed trading entrepreneurs. Okay, industrial or manufacturing entrepreneurs. Then we discussed corporate entrepreneurs, and at the last we have discussed agricultural entrepreneurs, right? So this is what is according to or depending on the nature, size and type of business. Okay, on the basis of nature, size and type of business, 5 categories are there, right? I hope you understood. Okay, even then you go through with the notes or these key points, make your own notes, share it with me. Okay, even then if you are having any problem, any query, you can very much free to discuss it with me, right? Thank you very much.